Let's be honest, finding jeans that fit, whether for yourself or for your daughter, is hard. When you finally find a pair that fits in the waist, they may not fit in the length. The jeans I have on are perfect when it's boot season, but not as much when it's sandal season. And these girls' jeans are the same story. They fit perfectly in the waist, but they're about an inch too long. I don't want to cut them off. She's gonna grow. Today, I'm gonna show you a simple hemming trick that doesn't require any cutting that you can use on your girls' jeans or on your own jeans. Simple to unstitch when your daughter has that growth spurt or when it's time to put those sandals away and get your boots out again. You're gonna need your 2 long jeans, your measuring tool, a marking pin, thread that matches your jeans, thread in your bobbin that doesn't match. That's the secret. Optional is some cute ribbon and thread that matches that. To start, you're just gonna have to play around with your jeans. You're gonna fold some of your jean inside. If you want your jeans to be an inch shorter, then you're going to create a stitch line at a 1/2 inch. If you wanted to do a 1/2 inch shorter, your stitch line would be a 1/4 inch. So then after I have stitched it, I am going to have a little fold line. So what I'm messing with is trying to figure out where exactly I want my fold line to be. For this pair, I folded under 1 3/4 inches and then did a 1/2 inch, and so it ended up my fold line was right here at my stitching. I still made these an inch shorter, but instead of having a 1/2 inch stitch line, I did a 1/4 and a 1/4 just to make it a little bit different. So play with your jeans and decide where you want your little fold to be. Folded my jeans under 1 3/4. I've pressed it, and now I'm going to mark so I have a little stitch line. I have my jeans needle in. I'm going to change my stitch length. That'll make it easier to unstitch when the time comes. And I'm just going to stitch. I've ironed, and look at this little secret right here. Isn't that beautiful? You can so easily unstitch that. Now you have some choices to make of how you would like to finish this. You can do just another simple little top stitch right here just to kind of stitch that down, and no one will ever really notice. Or it'll just look intentional. Or you can make it lots of fun, especially if you're doing some girls' jeans. Pick your daughter's school colors. So fun. Pick her favorite color or something that she wears a lot. Match your stitching like I did with this pair. Could do wider ribbon that completely covers that up. I chose to use this fun rickrack. It's in style right now, and it's just perfect to go with my stitching, and it will be fun for summer with my sandals. Changed out my thread to match my ribbon, and you're probably going to need your multi-purpose tool to be able to stitch over those side seams. I have my ribbon folded just so there's not a raw edge. Okay, I've gotten to that part where I'm going to need my multi-purpose tool. If you haven't used this before, lift your presser foot up, stick it underneath from behind, and that's going to let you stitch over that seam. Okay, just pull it out and you're done. I'm getting to the edge. I did start on the back panel of my jeans, cut my little thread off right there, and then I'm gonna fold under my rickrack so that there's no exposed edge, and I'm just gonna finish right here. And that's it. You've got a clean decorative hem that looks intentional, not like a quick fix. You can easily shorten your jeans for sandals or for your little girl and know that you can easily unstitch them when she grows. One pair of jeans that I can make perfect for sandal season and easily unhem and rewear them for boot season. I hope you found this hemming trick helpful. If you did, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more extraordinary ideas from Threaded Journey.